Good morning, children. This video is for class 3, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is geometry. And this is our summary lecture. Today's topics are number 1, plane shapes or two-dimensional shapes, solid shapes or three-dimensional shapes, line and types of line, how to draw and measure a line segment, open and closed figures, surface and patterns. So today we will learn again all these topics. Okay, so let's start. Two-dimensional shapes. So beta, what do you mean by two-dimensional shapes? Here, what is the meaning of dimensional? Dimensional means the size of an object or something. Okay, so here two-dimensional shapes means plane or flat shapes. Two-dimensional shapes means plane or flat shapes. So what is plane or flat shapes? A shape that has only length and width is called plane or flat shapes. Length means lambai and width means chodai. Okay. So there are two dimensions. Okay. Length and width. So the shape that has only length and width is called a plane or flat shape, or you can say 2D shapes. Okay. So some plane or flat shapes. So here beta, we will learn about square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So first of all, we will learn about a square. So a closed figure made up of four equal line segments is called a square. It has four sides and four corners or vertices. So here I am going to show you one square. So here you can see this is a square beta. It is made up of four line segments. Four line segments की help से हमने square को बनाया है and all sides of the square are equal. Okay, and these are the vertex or corners of this square, and these are the sides: one side, second side, third side and fourth side. So there are four sides and four corners in a square. Okay, now the second one is rectangle. So a plain closed figure made up of four line segments and having opposite sides equal is called a rectangle. It has four sides and four corners or vertices. So here I am going to show you one rectangle. This is a rectangle beta. It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides and four vertices. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is a basic difference between a square and a rectangle. That is, in a square all sides are equal, but in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Understood beta? Now the next one is triangle. So here in triangle, a closed plane figures made up of three line segments sides is called a triangle. It has three sides and three corners or vertices. Okay, तो बेटा थ्री कॉर्नर्स और थ्री साइड्स से मिलकर क्या बनती है हमारी ट्रायंगल बनती है. Now I am going to show you one triangle. Look this. This is a triangle made up of three line segments. It has three sides, 1, 2 and 3, and three corners, 1, 2 and 3. Understood? Corner or vertex, both are same. Now the next one is circle. A closed plane figure obtained by tracing around a bangle or a coin is called a circle. It has no side and no corner or vertex. So here I am going to show you one circle. This is a circle beta. You can see it has no line segment, okay, and no corner. Is it clear to everyone? three-dimensional shapes. Today we will learn about three-dimensional shapes. What are three-dimensional shapes, beta? Three-dimensional shapes means solid shapes, okay, or 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes means solid shapes or 3D shapes. Short form होती है three-dimensional की 3D shapes. A shape that has length, width and thickness is called solid shape. ऐसी shapes बेटा जिनकी length मतलब लंबाई, width मतलब चौड़ाई and thickness means मोटाई. Okay? ये तीन चीजें होती हैं. That shapes are called solid shapes. Or in other words, we can say that a shape that has length, breadth and height are called solid shapes. Understood, beta? So some solid shapes are number one, cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Number two, cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Third one is cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Next is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. And the next one is sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So today we will learn all these shapes, okay? Now, beta, we will learn about properties of a cube. Okay. So here, this is a solid shape. Okay, cube. So here, first of all, we will make a cube. Okay. Now we will write its properties. So here, number one property is it has six faces. Okay. Number two, that is it has 12 edges. Okay. And number three is it has 8 vertices. Vertices means corners. Okay. And number 4 is all edges of a cube are equal. Okay. And all faces of a cube are square in shape. ठीक है बेटा, इसकी जितने भी faces होते हैं वो कौन सी shape के होते हैं? Square shape के. Okay. Now we will write its examples. That is dice, couch, etc. Okay. Now, properties of a cuboid. So here first of all we will make a cuboid, then we will write its properties. So number one is it has six faces. Number two, it has 12 edges. Okay. And number three, it has 8 vertices or corners. Okay. And number four, that is opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. इसकी जो opposite edges है means this edge is equal to this edge, okay, and this edge is equal to this edge means opposite edges are equal, okay, and all faces of a cuboid are rectangle in shape. ठीक है, rectangular shape के होते हैं ये बेटा. And now we will write its examples, that is matchbox and mobile, etc. Now the next one is properties of a cylinder. So here first of all we will make a cylinder like this, and now we will write its properties. So number one is it has three faces, 1, 2 and 3. Two faces are plane and one face is curved face. Okay. Number two is it has how many edges? 2 edges. Okay. This one, this edge and this edge. So there are 2 edges. Okay, and it does not have any vertex. इसका कोई भी vertex नहीं होता है. Okay, and now we will write its examples. So that is new chalk, paint box, etc. Now beta, properties of a cone. So here first of all we will draw a cone shape. Now here we will write its properties. Number one, it has two faces, one curved face and one plane face. This is the curved face, okay, and this is the plane face. Now number two, that is it has only one edge. इसकी एक edge होती है बेटा, this one, this curved edge is there. Okay. Number 3, it has only one vertex, और इसका vertex भी एक ही होता है. Okay, now we will write its examples like traffic cone, okay, and ice cream cone, etc. Now the next one is properties of a sphere. So here we will draw a sphere shape. Now number 1 is it has only one face. ठीक है, इसका सिर्फ एक ही फेस होता है, और वो कैसा होता है? कर्व्ड फेस. Number 2, it does not have any edge. ठीक है, इसकी कोई भी edge नहीं होती है. And it does not have any vertex, और इसका कोई भी vertex नहीं होता है. Does not have any vertex. Now we will write its examples. ठीक है, so here we will write its example, that is marbles or football, etc. Okay. Now beta, I am going to tell you about point, line segment and ray. So here you can see the pictures, means figures of this point, line segment and ray. Now I am going to tell you its a definition. So here we will write its definition, that we use a dot. First of all, we will read about point now. So we use a dot to represent a point. It has no size and always named by a capital letter. इसका बेटा कोई साइज नहीं होता, पॉइंट कैसा भी डॉट बना सकते हैं. ओके, और हम हमेशा इसे किससे डिनोट करते हैं? विद द नेम ऑफ कैपिटल लेटर. कोई भी कैपिटल लेटर हम यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर दैट. सो हियर यू कैन सी we will give the name of this dot L, capital L. So how we can read it? That point L. Okay, now the line. A line is formed by joining unlimited number of points together. लाइन जो है, जब बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स को हम इकट्ठा मिला देते हैं तो एक लाइन फॉर्म होती है. इट हैज नो एंड और बिगिनिंग पॉइंट. इसका कोई भी एंड और बिगिनिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता. इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड टू एनी लेंथ इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन. हम दोनों तरफ से इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं लाइन को. These arrows show the line. Okay, whenever these arrows is given, means it is a line. Okay, and we can write it line AB. Okay, if we will give the name of this line AB na, then we can write the name line AB, or we will put this arrow, both side arrow, okay, above AB. Okay, now the line segment. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइन. लाइन सेगमेंट जो है वो लाइन का ही एक पार्ट होता है. इट हैज फिक्स्ड लेंथ, इसकी लेंथ फिक्स्ड होती है, एंड इट हैज टू एंड पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, यहाँ ये आपको दिख रही है, दिस इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. ये विद डॉट्स वी कैन डिनोट इट. यहाँ पे भी एक डॉट है, एंड पॉइंट पे भी, बिगिनिंग पॉइंट पे भी. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. ठीक है, लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी जो है वो लाइन सेगमेंट बी ए के इक्वल होता है. अगर हम इसे ए नाम दे और इसे बी नाम दे, ठीक है, तो ये बनेगा लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. ओके, और इन अनदर वे वी कैन रीड इट लाइन सेगमेंट बी ए. बोथ आर सेम. ओके, नाउ रे. A ray has definite starting point but goes infinitely in other direction. It has no fixed length. रे का जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो फिक्स होता है बेटा. ओके, और ये किसी भी डायरेक्शन में इनफाइनेटली मूव कर सकती है. ओके, इट हैज नो फिक्स लेंथ. इसकी कोई लेंथ फिक्स नहीं होती. इस एरो का मतलब है कि ये एक्सटेंड कर सकती है वन डायरेक्शन में. ओके, और दिस डॉट मीन्स द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट, मीन्स द फिक्स्ड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. लाइक सन. सन का हमें पता है कि सन का फिक्स पॉइंट है कि उसने हमेशा ईस्ट में से आना है. ठीक है, लेकिन उसकी रेज कहाँ कहाँ जाती है, वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? रे ए बी. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बेटा, रे ए बी. अगर सपोज हम इस डॉट को ए नाम दे और एरो को दे बी नाम, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड रे ए बी. बट रे ए बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू रे बी ए. ठीक है, बी ए के इक्वल वो कभी नहीं होगी. अंडरस्टूड? Now, types of lines. There are so many types of lines. So let's see. Straight line. A line formed by joining many points in the same direction is called a straight line. Okay. Here you can see this is a straight line AB. Understood? A line formed by joining many points in the same direction is called a straight line. So beta, a straight line may be vertical, horizontal or slant. Means there are three types of a straight line: vertical, horizontal or slant. So here I am going to show you that this is a vertical line. Okay, vertical line means standing line. Okay, so here we will write vertical line. Vertical line or standing line, both are same. Okay, now this is the horizontal line. Horizontal line or slipping line we can say it. Okay, horizontal line. And these are the slanting lines. चाहे आप इस डायरेक्शन में बना लो, चाहे आप इस डायरेक्शन में बना लो. These are called the slanting lines. Okay. Now the next is a line formed by many points in any direction is called a curved line. We have read about beta that a line formed by many points in same direction is called a straight line, but in any direction is called a curved line. So what is the difference between a straight line and curved line? Now it is clear beta. In straight line it is in the same direction, but in curved line it is in any direction. So a line formed by many points in any direction is called a curved line. Okay, so here you can see this is a curved line because it it is formed by many points in any direction. किसी भी direction में जा रही है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. Okay, but in straight line ना it goes in the same direction. Okay, बिल्कुल straight जाती है उसमें. And here again we have a curved line. So here line PQ, okay, and line RS are curved lines. Okay, now it is clear beta what is straight line and what is curved line. Now the next one is parallel lines. So what do you mean by parallel lines, beta? Two lines which do not intersect each other at any point, and the distance between these two lines remains same everywhere are called parallel lines. Okay, ऐसी two lines जो कभी एक दूसरे को नहीं काटती और उनका distance जो है वो everywhere मतलब किसी भी जगह पे same रहता है. ठीक है, that are called parallel lines. Now I am going to show you parallel lines. Like this you can see this is PQ line and this is RS line. Okay, so both are parallel because the distance between these two lines remains the same at every point. किसी भी जगह से आप देखेंगे तो इनका distance जो है वो same है. Okay, so how we can write it like this: line PQ is parallel to line RS. Understood beta? Now the next one is intersecting lines. So here what do you mean by intersecting? Here you can see intersecting means cut karna. Okay, intersecting lines. So here two lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines, and the point where these lines meet is called the point of intersection. तो वो दो लाइनें जो एक कॉमन पॉइंट पे मीट करती हैं, ठीक है, मिलती हैं, those lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, and the point where these lines meet, जहां पर वो एक दूसरे को कट करती हैं, वो जो पॉइंट होता है उस पॉइंट को हम क्या बुलाते हैं बेटा? पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. अंडरस्टूड? Now beta you can see that there are two lines AB and CD and they are intersecting each other. Okay, here at point P. Okay, so here we will write that line AB and CD are intersecting lines and point P is called the point of intersection. Understood beta? यहाँ पे AB line और CD line. There are two lines na, AB and CD. Okay, they both are intersecting each other. So that's why they are called intersecting lines. Okay, and at which point they meet? That is at point P. So here point P is called the point of intersection. Okay. Now beta I am going to tell you that how to draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter. So beta first of all you need a scale for it. Okay.
So first of all, we will place it on the paper like this. Okay, then we will put two dots, one at 0 and another at 7. Then we will draw a line from 0 to 7 like this. Okay, and here we will give the name of this line segment, that is XY. And what is the length of this XY? That is 7 centimeters. So here in the mid we will write 7 centimeter. And how we can write it? XY means line segment XY is equal to 7 centimeter. Understood, beta? Now, the next question is how to measure given line segment CD. So here you can see we have given a line segment CD and now we have to measure the length of this line segment. Okay, so first of all we will put our scale on this line segment CD in this way that we will put 0 at C. Okay, like this. And now we will find out the length of this line segment. So here you can see the D point is at 7.5. Okay, so the length of this line segment CD is 7.5 centimeter. Understood, beta? In this way we can find out the measurement of any line segment. Okay.
Now the next one is closed figures. Figures that have same starting and end point are called closed figures. ठीक है, ऐसी फिगर्स बेटा जिनका सेम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट होता है वो हमारी क्लोज्ड फिगर्स कहलाती हैं, लाइक दिस. So you can see, you can start from anywhere and the end point and starting point both are same. Okay, now the open figures. Figures that have different starting and end point are called open figures, like this. You can see, if we see that this is the starting point, then the end point is this. So both are different. So this is open figure. Okay. Now the next one is surface. The part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called its surface. An object may have different types of surfaces. ठीक है, कोई भी सॉलिड का जो पार्ट हम देखते हैं, जिसे हम टच करते हैं, वो उसका सरफेस कहलाता है. और एक ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सरफेसेस हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर नंबर 1 इज प्लेन और फ्लैट सरफेस. फॉर एग्जांपल लैपटॉप. जैसे लैपटॉप है बेटा, तो इसका जो सरफेस है वो हमेशा प्लेन या फ्लैट ही होता है. ठीक है, प्लेन और फ्लैट सेम थिंग इज देयर. So we call it the plane surface of a laptop. Number 2, that is curved surface. Curved surface में curve होता है. ठीक है, surface जो है वो गोलाई वाला होता है. For example, tire. Okay. And number 3, plane and curved surface. For example, water bottle. ऐसे कुछ objects होते हैं जिसके अंदर both plane and curved both surface होते हैं, like water bottle. Okay. Now the next one is complete the following patterns. So here it is given in A part x, y, z. Again it is given x, y, z and x is given. Now we have to fill these blanks. So beta, in pattern we know that repeated things are there. So here repeated alphabets are given, x, y, z, again x, y, z and x is given. Now we have to write here, and we will write here y, and after that we will write z here. Okay, so x, y, z is repeated. Now in B part, it is given 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It means once we have written here 1, after that 2 comes with 1, after that 3 comes with 1 and 2, and after that 4 comes with 1, 2 and 3. Now what we will write here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood, beta? Now today's homework, do assignment number 2 of chapter number 3, geometry. given on EdQuark website. Okay. Thank you.